Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be playing Phantom Covered Ops. A real fun game. It's all about sitting down, stuff like that. It's not just sitting down, I'm just kidding. It's like a story mode game, single player, everything. I've been looking toward this game. So let's get straight into the video and into the game. Ooh, smooth. Hold A or X while paddling to turn the boat smoothly. Hold A or X while paddling to turn the boat in 15. Maybe this one. Campaign free play. Options section. Campaign. New game because I never started. Let's go. I'm new, so we need a new one. Alright. So I guess we're on the canoe. Whoa, what's going on here?
Phantom Unit, listen up. NATO has detected suspicious activity inside a derelict Cold War naval facility on the coast of the Black Sea. Voldat
What
Base,
the?
formerly
The
a production
Black
hub for
Sea?
chemical weapons until NATO intervened.
My unit hit the base in '66, leveled the operation with an airstrike and killed their leader,
An
a rogue Soviet
airstrike?
general by the name of Nikolai Zhurov.
Oh, this
NATO
has to be
believes
back
that
in the
a new
19th.
threat may be following in Zhurov's footsteps.
Date
We've
of
been
birth.
tracking a number of high-value targets, killers,
It's like a
seditionists,
40-year-old
and
man,
war
so-
criminals, and they are congregating, forming some sort of militia
1969.
centralized in this base.
This has to be from 1969, around
We
that
do not know what
area.
they're planning, but Moscow is in fear of a second revolution. Someone is building an army, and that is where the Phantoms come in.
02, I'll be leading a helo insertion on the outer perimeter of the base. From there, we need you to bypass their defenses. The site was heavily flooded after the airstrike, so you should have no shortage of entry points. Once you're in,
Okay.
evaluate the threat.
Alrighty. Now we just gotta sneak in and just kill
Russian
the
forces
threat.
already sent in a man to investigate, and they have not heard from him since. This is a single-agent recon operation. Keep it quiet. Minimize casualties. They cannot know we were there.
Is
Once
this
you have
kind
the
of like a horror
intel
game?
for us, proceed to extraction. Then NATO will determine an intervention plan. Extraction occurs tomorrow at 0400 hours.
Understood, Major. 02, I'll be commanding the operation. No one knows this place better than me. You're in good hands. Now let's move out.
Alright, let's do this. Alright. I'm scared. I think we could do this. NATO has detected specific activity inside the Volat. I don't know what that is. A direct Cold War naval base. Infiltrate the facility and gain access to the communication network. Alrighty. Ready to do this.
Okay, we're almost there. Phantom 02, stand by to deploy. Command Actual, do you copy? Sawyer, you getting this?
Confirmed.
What?
02's helmet camera is live. You're cleared to proceed, Colonel.
Okay, gear check. Pistol in your chest holster. Sniper rifle in your side bag. Submachine gun in your back in case things go sideways. The supply satchels in front of you have your reloads. Make every round count.
Command Actual to all Phantom call signs. We have you in position.
What'd he say?
Operation is a go.
Copy that, Command.
Oh.
Going dark. 02, you
Oh.
are cleared to deploy. Remember, this is a stealth mission. Get in, assess their operation, then get out.
Okay, man. I
Don't
got
watch yourself,
this.
you hear me?
Watch myself. I'm fine. I can do this by myself. I'm just too good at this. Trust me. That's a paddle right there. Alright, I think I got everything I need. Where'd you go?
Command Actual. I'll be your conduit for intelligence data while you're in the field. It's good to be working with you. Our assets in country have reported suspicious activity in this area. Your mission is to investigate and evaluate any potential threats. We've tried to intercept local communications, but it looks like someone's using frequency scramblers. Priority 1 is to neutralize those sources of interference and get us signals access.
Nah, nothing there. Nah, we good, guys. We good. All right. First time doing a mission. Huss. All right. I'm gonna be the greatest canoe guy ever to live in. Oh, we could just. What? Oh, holy. I'm a bit scared. Got ammo right there. Yeah, this is why I don't like solo plays. Oh, I think I stole a bit.
Take a photo. It'll scan the area. Excellent image. I've identified a way in. Destroying that control panel should release the locking mechanism.
Oh, it's a silent. Okay, nice. I think that one too might be it. Knew it. I think I might know. Yeah, I need to go this way. Hey. Turn. Oh my god, I got. Let's brake. Brace for impact.
Stay quiet, 02. They haven't seen you. Hold fire. Let them pass. Your threat scanner indicates when nearby enemies are suspicious.
Damn door. The electrics around here are worthless. Auto maintenance keep ignoring this. This checkpoint is falling apart. Without us here, anyone could just sail right in. Catch-22, brother. As long as we're here, nothing needs to get fixed.
Shh, guys, I gotta be quiet before he catches us, guys. Alrighty?
Control, that's a false positive. Returning to patrol, over.
Alright. Now we could go silent. We gotta be silent, guys, before we get caught. Can we just do this? Now we can. So there's still guys here, but we just gotta...
You can hide inside the reeds. Your threat scanner will inform you when you're hidden. Stay perfectly still. They'll pass.
I'm hidden now. I'm hidden.
Don't move.
Dude.
The reeds are excellent camouflage.
We got it.
No
Stay
sighting yet. Over.
still. How can you not see
Reporting
me?
in. Area is clear. Over.
Nuh-uh, no it's not. But I'm here, but you just
Slow
can't
and
see me.
steady, 02.
You just can't see me, brother. Alright, nah, I think we could go. Just go silent. Yeah, I think we could go now. Yep. Sharp turn. Woo! We're just too good at this. Sharp. Ow. Sharp. Hi.
Proceed with care,
Whoa.
02. Survey the area ahead with your viewfinder. Mark any threats, plan your route accordingly. Understood?
Your primary weapon is stealth, 02. Lethal force should be used only as a last resort.
Moving to position 2. Over.
Shh, guys, we gotta be quiet. Should I shoot him? Oh no, he gone. We gotta go. Oh,
Go slowly when hostiles are nearby. You don't want to get hurt.
we could go on it. Alright. We could go to that one right there. You see that? Alright. We could go right there. That's where we need to go. Alright. I just don't know if they... Can I see them through here? No, I can't. I just don't know if they're there right now. I have to send it. 3, 2, 1, send. Send. A break. Alright. Turn.
Position 3 reporting. No sightings.
Probably right there. They can see. Stop focusing right there. You know what? I'm gonna have to turn right there. Alright. I really want to shoot them. Shooting game. Oh, they can see. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Dang it. No. I have an idea. Let's just go this way. Oh, now we could go.
Scout with your viewfinder, 02. Look for any objects that could create a distraction.
I missed.
Huh? I better go check that.
Come on. I'm just so focused. Alright. Now where I should go. I think there's 2 ways, I think. Hold on. Okay. I don't actually need... Now, I think I have to go that way. He's keeping on guard over there. I could just... Yeah, I could just move. Oh, he's right there. We can't move yet. Stay very still. Stay very still. He can see us. We got him to... let him... We gotta make a move. I don't know how though. But yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Move.
I've uploaded a new objective to your tracker.
All right, we gotta go over there.
Status report. Sector is under control. Over.
I think we're hidden, right? Yeah, we're hidden. We're hidden now. We gotta go over there, but I think that part right there. Oh. No, I think we have to go through there. But he's there. That's all of them. We gotta stay silent and just go. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All units, perform weapons checks and report any maintenance issues immediately.
I have to go there, but how? What am I supposed to do here? I think I might have to. Yeah, I knew it. Finally. Quick, quick, quick. There we go. Now we're able to move. Stay. Hit it. Oh, 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 what? I think we're able to do something. Hit this check. Quick, 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 quick.
Sweep the area for anything suspicious.
And then got it. And we gotta go back a little bit.
Maybe over there.
Dang it. Oh, we only have one bullet. I'll move a little bit. And that's perfect, that's perfect, that's perfect. I think we have to use this.
Zero 2, focus on stealth. Avoid conflict wherever possible.
Control. Perimeter sweep deployed on possible breach. Over.
Go, 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 go.
That's a Dracon-class attack helicopter. A tank killer. That means serious funding. This militia is much better equipped than we anticipated.
Go back, go back, go back. Now we just gotta go this way. Now we gotta go this way. They can see us, so we gotta go quick. And just go. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Turn. And just turn. Yep, yep, perfect, perfect.
I don't want
Turn
to
this
stay
way.
here any longer than we have.
What are you so scared of? It's just a bunch of crates and scrap metal.
Don't you know anything? It's toxic, you idiot. You get that stuff on you and your fingers rot off.
Ah, you're worried like an old woman.
I'm not trying to
Good
hit.
salvage in here, worth real money. You'll see.
Oh damn! Oh. He can see us. He can see us. Quick, go, go, go! Alright. Come on, come on! We gotta turn! We gotta turn! We gotta turn! There you go. Perfect. We're perfect. We're perfect. I'm supposed to get through. Got it. Duck. 3 share. Oh, it just goes in. Go. Yep, smooth like butter. Now what do
Find a way
I
to
have?
neutralize that tower. You may be able to manually cut the power from underneath. Either that, or take out the surrounding monitoring stations.
Go back and just take a picture. We have one.
Good. One console down. There should be 2 others. The resources are limited, so don't waste ammunition.
Not good. Oh my god. Oh my. He faced his camera at me, but he didn't. Oh, there ain't no way. He could barely see. I'm gonna have to use my sniper rifle on this. Shit. There you go. Let's go just to get under here. Oh, he's right above. Dang it. He can see me, but I have to space. Stay still. Yep.
Excellent. Now take out the final console.
Malfunctioning again, huh?
It's that way, not that way. Oh, I went the wrong way. No, that's too stupid. It's inside. No one's looking. Where am I going? It's inside of them. How am I supposed to get it? I do have an AR, but I don't want to like start shooting at them. They can know I'm there. I just don't know. I just don't know. I might have to go in. Oh, there you go. Just gotta turn. Go back. Let's turn. He's guarding it. Oh, there's another one. There's another side over there. Turn. turn, turn, turn. I'm about to go under. Go, go. Go, go. Alright, there you go, there you go. You have to stay under the bridge. Maybe I have to go in. Oh yeah, I have to do something.
Good. Now remove all of the power couplings.
Next one.
Now pull the power lever.
One down. Now get to the other target and disable it.
You should be showing a new objective marker on your tracking device.
Turn, turn, turn. Go, go, turn, turn, go. Turn, turn, turn. Go, go, go. Keep on going, keep on going. Go, go, go.
I'll have to file a report.
Maybe I can stand up a little bit. Oh, I can't. Damn. What? Did I go back? More perfect. I can.
Avoid unnecessary casualties.
That's got to be fixed.
You go there. Where? Right there. I'm gonna turn back.
Get someone up here to look at this.
Oh my god, canoeing is so hard. Turn. Turn.
Signal intercepts are good. Stand by. We may have something. There's a lot of radio chatter about something called Project Titan. It's difficult to isolate what they're saying, though.
Titan? Impossible. We bombed that operation to hell 25 years ago. 02, deactivate the other scrambler. Then we can get to the bottom of this.
02. So I am 02. Turn, turn.
02. There's a supply cache nearby. Take a look.
Supply. More ammo. Open.
That's a
What
noise maker
is-
device. Throw it, and wherever it lands, it'll cause a destruction.
Perfecto. Nice. Just in case I'll close it. No, I can't close it. It's the arm workout. Oh my goodness. This is so tough. Stay back, stay back, stay back.
02, photograph that officer with your viewfinder. That's a high-value target. A mark on NATO's most wanted list. They're not your primary objective, but neutralize them if you can.
Neutralize them. I think I could do that. I think I can finally, you're trying to make me kill someone. Oh, I didn't see that.
Control. Possible perimeter breach. Patrol moving to investigate. Over.
Excellent work. I'll update our HVT records. Keep an eye out for other targets, 02.
Fire at will!
Fire at will! Bro, just died me. Where do I need to go? I knew. Oh, it's right there. Alright. I knew to go this way, but I didn't know where the objective was to do. Push. Can I even push? I can, kind of. Rip. Stealth mode activated. After I finish the objective, where am I supposed to? I'm supposed to go that way. No, it's almost impossible. I might have to go. I don't know. If I die, video will end, guys. Remember that. Go. I'm open.
Can you hear something? A string of numbers. That's some sort of numbers station. If you disable it, I can retrieve its audio log.
Perfect then. Now retrieve it. No. Yes. What is this?
It's locked tight. You'd need a tool to cut it off.
Oh. Need a tool. Not. All right. What?
Run the data on that gunship. I'm trying to isolate where it came from. It's completely off the books. Black market. One doesn't tend to buy a tank killer unless one plans on using it.
Oh my god,
Careful,
guys, wait a second.
Yes, Misha and Gregor. You keep telling me about them over and over.
I'm sorry.
Then be proud about it quietly. I hate
That's a man, not a girl.
Crooks and swines, all of them.
Wait a second. You're undercover too, but not my plan. I cannot have you undercover. plan.
Enemy target!
I didn't let you get undercover just to steal their plans, stuff like that. I'm supposed to be doing that, not you. Alrighty. That's the end of that video. And guess how? And look, only 1%, and we took a long time just to get that. It's gonna take a long time just to finish it. So almost every single day, we're gonna keep on playing this game. This game is gonna be one of my favorites because how fun it is. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you later.